All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We are excited. We have a new find for you. Wifey found this new place today while I was out running around, and we are going to go inside and try it. The name is
Whip My Soul.
I've been hearing big things about this place. I looked it up before we got here, and I'm very excited to try the food. Let's check it out.
Let's go. Oh.
Okay.
No, I know. I want to get the 3 tenders and waffles.
Yep, 3 tenders and waffles.
And I want to get hush puppies and
6 or 12.
6. A piece of cornbread.
Okay.
And
Did you make my order? Come on now.
So excited.
Yeah. 3 tenders and waffles.
Jesus Christ.
I got your hush puppy. I got your cornbread. I have your onion ring. I got your 3 fish plate here with your okra. I have the side of greens, the oxtail egg rolls. I got your strawberry cake here, and then the mac and cheese.
We ordered entirely too much food, but it's all right.
You guys are trying everything.
We're gonna try it. And we're gonna try it, and we're gonna put it on YouTube. The mac and cheese is gonna take 20 minutes.
Okay.
Tell me what you got.
I got a waffle, and I'm already loving it because it's thin.
What else?
Chicken tenders, onion rings, hush puppies, and some green.
Oh.
Hey, keep me healthy.
Wow.
It's all right.
Over here, we got some egg rolls.
What kind?
Some
Oxtail?
oxtail and mac and cheese, and then we got some fried okra, cornbread, and some catfish. And the mac and cheese will be out here in about 20 minutes.
Oh, they're called mean greens. Let's see. How mean are they?
You're not a real green fan. I might have to try them.
No, they definitely have flavor. I'm not sure what that is in there, what kind of meat's in there, so I might pass that along. The hush puppies.
Don't just be saying that just because it's a soul food place.
The hush puppies are good. They don't beat Long John Silver, but they're good. Oh man, look at this. You got the juicy chicken, and they look like it's hand breaded. Not a lot of seasoning, but it's very juicy. And then you can't ever beat the hand battered. They're not frozen by any means. You can tell they're homemade.
At least they don't taste frozen, huh?
All right. the syrup on the side. Let's try the waffle first, and then we'll take a dip. It's got oh my god. Oh my gosh. They are great. So they have a cake batter taste to them. And I don't know if that's a Houston thing because this is the second time that we've had pancakes or waffles that taste like that. I'm sorry guys, I got food in my teeth. But these are wonderful. Let's take a bite with the syrup. Oh yeah.
Smoky, flavorful. Just absolutely the best greens I've ever had at a restaurant. Wow. Oh. They put soul dust on it. Try that.
Oh yes. Yes. Now we're gonna dig into the egg roll. So this is oxtail and mac and cheese egg roll. Let me see what's in it.
Wow, it's really good. Okay.
All right, now we're gonna try the catfish.
Somehow they got rid of the gaminess. Plenty of meat in there. That's a thick piece of meat. The crust is really good on the outside.
Oh, now for the cornbread.
This is old school.
Oh wow.
This is old school cornbread with a little butter and some honey.
Is it like that cast iron?
Oh, this is real corn. Try that. Cool.
Oh.
If you're not careful, this place will absolutely make you hurt yourself. All right, guys, so we're back. We're out of Whip My Soul, and we will give you a full rundown on what we think about Whip My Soul in just a minute. But I want to tell you, this is Austin, and once you get outside the city, there's a lot of stuff to do and find around here. Right over my shoulder is this place called Shooters Billiards and Sports Bar. They have live music going on tonight. The music's already getting there, or the musicians are getting warmed up. But the coolest part is there is a food truck park in this parking lot. Not every one of them are open yet. One of them over there is open, but there's 6 food trucks in this parking lot that you can come over here and try. So if you want to get out and explore around, you can definitely come over here. What you think?
Oh yeah, I want to come over here and beat him in pool like I always do, and then we can come out here. I see they even have a coffee shop, and it looks like the sweet shop up there.
Yeah.
And then some regular like dinner snack food. So it looks really cool. I can't wait to come back.
All right, we'll be back with you guys in just a minute to give you a full thoughts on what we think about Whip My Soul. All right, guys, calm down, bud. Calm down. So We got our pup. He's excited that we're back.
We're back.
So, whipped my soul right into shape. I have to say, I now have a new soul food spot here in Austin. It was fantastic. Just to cut to the chase, the food was fantastic. Everything that I tried, I loved all of their food. So what do you want to start with? Chicken?
Chicken and waffles. Oh my goodness. So the chicken strips were it looked like they were hand breaded, and then the waffles, oh my gosh. When you take a bite, my eyes just went, because it was amazing. The waffles are like waffles I've never tasted before. And if you follow our channel, you know that I don't really care for waffles or Belgian waffles. I like the skinny waffles, and that's what this is. And they were amazing.
I'm not a waffle fan. I'm not a pancake fan. Hey, sit. Calm down. I'm not a pancake fan or any bready type, if I can help it. But this waffle can be eaten all by itself, no syrup.
Yeah.
It was absolutely delicious. The chicken, I liked the seasoning on the chicken, the chicken tenders that came with the waffles.
Yes.
I liked the seasoning. The texture of the chicken wasn't what I would have expected, but it was good. I mean, you would not be disappointed eating this chicken. It's just the texture was a little different.
Yeah.
On the chicken, just a part of it felt a little chewy, but the seasoning was great. What's next? Catfish? You want to cover the catfish?
Yeah.
So I'm a catfish fan, and there have been lots of places that I went and literally just pushed the catfish to the side because it was not good. I think he's a little too excited. He's a little too excited. You want to say hi? Say hi, and now you can go over there for a little while. He went right out the door.
Didn't shut the door. Get in there. Come on.
Come on, bud. Come on. Get in there. Jesus
Kids.
Christ. He's a handful sometimes, y'all. But the catfish was crunchy on the outside, tender and almost juicy on the inside. It was a fantastic bite of fish. It didn't taste gamey. You can tell that either they prepared it properly and cut off all of those gray parts, or whoever they purchased it from did a great job of cutting the catfish. And then with that, what do we have? Fried okra. We have fried okra, and they sprinkle what's called, I believe, soul dust on the. Oh, it was so good. The okra
That
was,
and the onion rings. They
and the onion rings.
Yeah, they sprinkled
the onion rings were good. Sweet onions, and they seem like we've had those before, like at another store or another location. But it was good.
Yeah.
Like, you won't be disappointed with the onion rings. The greens.
They were good.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I'm a huge greens fan, and it had what I think was ham in it, tender. I mean, perfectly cooked greens with lots and lots of flavor, but not overstated. It was perfectly seasoned. The greens were the best greens I've ever had in any establishment that I've ever eaten greens at, period. And we've eaten at a lot of establishments. The mac and cheese.
Oh, no. Oh my goodness. That was amazing. Like, I if you ask me to pick with the waffles or the mac and cheese, I can't. I absolutely can't. They were phenomenal. And you hear people talking about mac and cheese all the time. It's always a hard dish to please with.
Yeah.
They're not. They did awesome.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Plenty of seasoning, lots of flavor.
Creamy.
Mixed in there, very creamy.
Yes.
The cheese pool was ridiculous. I had
Yeah.
to roll it up like I was eating spaghetti. That is the best mac
Yeah.
and cheese I've ever had
Yeah.
at any establishment to date.
Yeah.
That is the best mac and cheese I've had.
And
outside
they make it pretty often because we did have to wait for it. So it came out really hot. So it's not something that a dish that they just make a big, huge batch of and leave it for the rest of the day. They make it as they go, knowing about how long it's going to last. And people were coming in there, like literally,
back to back.
because it was almost closing time by the time we got finished eating. And literally people were running in to get the food order in before they closed. So, I mean, what is there? Oh, the egg rolls we didn't finish
Oh
talking
my God.
about.
So we got some oxtail and mac and cheese egg rolls. And we only ate one because they were very fat. Like that's a meal all by itself if you were to go in there and get 2 egg rolls. But that was some pretty hearty egg rolls.
Yeah.
Of course, that delicious mac and cheese wrapped up inside of that crust, and then plenty of oxtail spread in there on it. Like they didn't short you on the oxtail at all. Like you wouldn't, if you love oxtail, you love mac and cheese, and you like egg rolls, this is the absolute spot for you.
Yeah. I saw a lot of people with wings. We didn't get wings because we had a spread that was bigger than what we could eat. We didn't get the wings, but a lot of people I saw getting the wings, so they must be good.
Absolutely delicious food, guys. You would not be disappointed. As a matter of fact, I think you'd be pretty excited.
Yes.
And that whole area, like we said earlier, that whole area was cool with the food trucks and the sports bar next door getting fired up. Like that's just a location that's good for hanging out. But hit the soul food spot.
Yeah.
Whip my soul. Whip my soul. You are an absolute winner in our books.
Yes.
We will be back. I'm in Austin very regular for work and play, and we'll be back to see you guys. Kudos to you guys for putting out some absolutely delicious food, and the service was fantastic.
Oh, wow.
A lot of times you go to these places, these popular establishments like that, and the staff has a foul attitude in the back. The young lady who checked us in, we don't know your name, but you were very, very cheerful. We appreciate you telling us about the place and bringing us that mild sauce.
So we did find out it is Chicago-based restaurant. So.
So thank you. I appreciate the service, and we definitely appreciate the food. We had a great time at your establishment. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.